When you use the auto balloons, they match up to the row numbers the footprints are linked to in a report. With this feature, we can choose leader styles, we can choose the different block shapes, as well as the block sizes. With the layouts, we can have our balloons organized along the top, the bottom, left-hand side, right-hand side, or in the square format. We also have the option to group balloons, ignore multiple instances, or choose to ignore terminals. So if I want to have one representation of the same instance or multiple instance, I can have that toggled on, and I can choose to include or exclude my terminals from my report. This auto balloon layer will also exist on this layer, or we can put it on a different layer. And then we have the option to insert the report table here as well. So we have a schematic here that represents our harness design. We have connectors, we have our wire harnesses or cables in between. And one update SOLIDWORKS has made is being able to move symbols using the arrow keys on the keyboard. So now I can move up, left, right, down, and I can adjust how my symbols are arranged in my schematic with only using my arrow keys. So that is a new function. I have a new filter for manufacturer parts. So I can choose filter accessory manufacturer parts, associated manufacturer. So I can choose filtering by association, accessory, auxiliary, or even manufacturer parts that are excluded from the BOM. And when I use that, I can toggle this filter on and off, and it's going to apply those changes for me.